After that left hand punch, that's
Pacquiao back Velasquez off to the left. Pacquiao is starting to get more accurate with both the jab and the left hand. Pacquiao is known to be a rat. Freddie Roach trains Pacquiao and watch him Manny Pacquiao with the
it can be a big factor late in the fight.
perfect right hand by Pacquiao.
Right hook.
Stunned Velasquez. Pacquiao trying to finish it. To get it done. One of the most vicious finishers in the sport. Velasquez in big trouble now. The increasing accuracy of the shots making a difference in Velasquez. And that Pacquiao crowd, Manny. Good right hand for Pacquiao.
What's interesting, a lot of the Mexican fans like Pacquiao.
Morales, sweeping right hand. Some men will hot cold.
Right hook.
Hard right hand. Slightly staggered. And down he goes. Another huge and the main part of Morales holds up.
That hard. Takes a lot of energy to start those.
Well, that's a huge left hand shot. And the right hand shot, Julio seen. And you heard Julio saying, hit him in the belly. And down goes. This is some getting ready to swing away again. And Bill Clancy.
The best round so far from Patrice St.
Very strong. Patrice is out, and that's it! Looks like he's starting to puff a little bit, and down he goes.
If you want to fight, the fight is good, but it's not going to develop like that.
Utah from South Africa,
No idea.
nation in the eyes of Ed Waba.
Third round. Here comes Django moving to avoid those shots. Staying combination.
Able to balance the top.
In fact, Anthony drives to 11, but he sees through one.
There, down it goes for the left.
Narito ang 10 greatest knockout wins ni Manny Pacquiao sa kasaysayan ng boxing.
1.
Ang una sa ating listahan ay ang laban niya kay George Solis. Ating panoorin kung paano bugbugin ni Manny Pacquiao si Solis.
Listening, and they've been told the family. He's in trouble, and down goes Solis.
There goes that uppercut again. He's hurt. He's out. It's over.
Solis sent down for the second time.
Cinco.
He is on the apron of the ring.
Ocho. Yes.
2.
Ang ating pangalawa sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay Juri Julio, kung saan natikman ni Julio ang mapait na kabiguan mula sa ating kababayan. Ating panoorin kung paano nga binugbog ni Manny Pacquiao itong si Julio.
And by Pacquiao. And you heard Julio's corner saying, hit him in the belly. And down goes Julio.
It was a perfect execution of what he was told in the corner. Double jab and throw left hand. He did it increasing. Freddie Roach only going behind the double jab and following with the left hand. Give him twice in a row. The second one, drop it. Julio.
This is some prospect, Bobby. To me, he's every bit as exciting as Prince Nassim Hamed. No three knockdown rule in effect.
I think Julio's not sure what he's trying to really do.
Julio trying to slow his way back. A little grabbing and holding might be the thing to do. Pacquiao's just getting ready to swing away again. And Bill Clancy's seen enough.
3.
Ang pangatlo sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay Hector Velasquez, kung saan nawala ang yabang nito sa ibabaw ng ring na matikman niya ang mga solidong suntok ng ating pambato sa kanyang pagmumukha. Ating panoorin paano tinuruan ng leksyon ang hambog na boksingerong ito.
He's got to get up. He has to beat the count. He has to beat the count. Can't be saved by the bell. Does he want to get up?
Four.
Ang ating pangapat sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay Eric Morales sa pangatlong pagkakataon, kung saan pinakita ni Manny Pacquiao na hindi siya ang pinakamagaling na boksingero kundi ang ating pambato. Pinakita dito ni Manny Pacquiao paano niya pinasuko itong palaban na si Eric Morales. At itong hayag kung paano pinataob ni Manny Pacquiao itong si Morales.
Nice counter by Eric Morales. Oh, that is a knockdown by Manny Pacquiao. Oh, and another beautiful right hook.
Look at Manny trying to finish. Several shots to the head. Morales is stunned. Trying to shake it off. But he's been hurt. Look at him knocked down.
That's the fight.
That's it.
That should be it.
Unbelievable.
Morales is a true gladiator.
15 seconds. Down goes Morales again. Again he's down.
And the look on Eric Morales' face looks like he doesn't want anymore. That's it. He called it a day. He says that's it.
Oh my gosh. Mario Lopez.
I've never seen
Five.
Ang ating panlima sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay Lucas Matisse.
The best round so far from Patrice. That's
which I don't know but it seems to be paying off today because he's looking very
Six.
Ang ating pangalan sa listahan ay walang iba kundi ang kanyang nakalaban dito na si Marco Antonio Barrera, kung saan minaliit ang kakayahan ng ating pambato. Ating tunghayan panoorin kung paano nga ba nilamutak ang pagmumukha ng ating pambato itong si Marco Antonio Barrera.
Seven.
Ang ating pampito sa listahan, ating tunghayan at panoorin kung paano nga ba pinahalik ng ating pambato sa luna itong si David Diaz.
Eight. Nine.
Ang ating pasiyam sa listahan ay ang laban nila ni Eric Morales sa pangalawang pagkakataon. Ating tunghayan panoorin kung paano binawi ni Manny Pacquiao ang corona dito sa Mexican fighter.
We thought Morales was going down. Oh, and he does go.
Left to the side of the head that finally dropped. Just over a half minute to go. Plenty of time for Pacquiao to find the right cover.
Oh, and a beautiful combination.
Down goes Morales. Name more than just a powerful fighter.
10.
Win will never end for Pacquiao. There is no limit, it seems.
Sa bidyong ito, para sa inyong opinion, i-comment mo niyan sa ating comment section sa ibaba. At kung nagustuhan mo naman ang bidyong ito, paiwan naman ako ng like at pasubscribe na rin sa ating munting channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Sama kayo na rin lang, mag-ingat, God bless. Bye bye! Woo!